thinking about opening up some type of healthcare business, you're a healthcare provider, but you're not a physician. It's important to understand the delegation responsibilities within your state. Now, some states have a pretty broad regulation as to who a physician can delegate to. Other states might be very narrow as to who or how a physician might be able to delegate and then what procedures you're allowed to do. And one of the things I say to any clients or any calls that we might have with potential clients is just because you now have a delegation order or a physician is willing to delegate to you doesn't mean the scope of practice that you have has now been expanded. That physician delegating to you means that you can practice within your scope. It hasn't expanded your scope of practice because that's what gets people in trouble. So make sure that you're understanding your state's scope of practice before you decide to do something. Even if your physician decides to delegate to you, if it's outside the scope of practice, then you might have some issues with your licensing board. So for example, if you're a nurse and your physician is delegating a surgery to you, right? You cannot all of a sudden become a surgeon. You might be a very smart nurse. You might be a very competent nurse, but you did not all of a sudden become a surgeon because your physician is delegating to you. So make sure that you're practicing within your scope so you don't have any issues with your board. Thanks so much. Bye.